So okay guys, we are ready with the band, and I have already fixed it into the band. The screen is fixed, the band inside the band. It is quite tight, as you can see, and this is a sensor. As you can see, if you press a thumb on it, there is a screen which is displaying the time. You will get another feature. So this is the heart rate monitor. Next is the time which is showing. These are the footsteps, battery life, and all the things and stuffs. Okay, so this is all the overview. It's look really attractive as you will wear it on your hands. And for that, okay, so what you have to do is you have to install an app of Xiaomi and pair this device with that, and it will be like gonna work fine after that. And you can manage, you can like allow the other modules, like you can give other things, like if any call, vibration of the call will be displayed in the watch, in this band, and any messages like popping up will be gonna display it in this band. So it is quite an interesting product, and it is in a cheap price. So this is an nice step from the Xiaomi. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video.